how to change calendar default color on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on a calendar app, click on this tree line icon and click on settings icon. Now in calendar settings, scroll down and click on manage calendars. After click on manage calendars, you will see colors is here. If you want to change manage calendar colors, click on color and you will change color from here. After change color, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change calendar default color on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.